Hello friends, we are back with another video and using this plastic glass, this is how we are drawing a nice face on top and we are making a nice play game. Now with the help of this another color paper, this is how we have given a nice mask shape over here, and this is how we are decorating our own mask and designing our own mask, and this is the feather that we have created in order to decorate our mask, and it's really very simple wearing mask that you can use in your parties. Now we are trying to make this impression, and this is how we are trying to take the green color sticks, and this is a kind of person like she is holding all the flowers, and the flower will make now using this blue color paper. We have created such a beautiful flower look over here, and similarly different colors of flowers can be made, and so decorately it's done. Now we are taking as well as pasting the ears and making something like this nice cute face. Next, going ahead, we are taking this pink color paper and we are trying to give this nice shape to it, and using this another color paper we are giving this face look, and this is how we will paste inside that, and this is how we have created such a lovely and cute animal look with the help of markers and the cut out pieces of paper. Now using this color, black color, this is how we are trying to make a nice branches of our tree, and using the green color we are trying to make the leaves with the help of our fingers, this creating patterns, and this is how we have taken this eggshell cardboard and we are trying to decorate this nice pattern with the help of red colors as well as using the other colors, and we have made such a lovely insect here on top of this tree, and he is rolling around in this nice tree in a lovely season. Now we are taking another glass and this is how we have cut it out further. Now after cutting it out and making this nice pattern here, this is how we can roll around and create such a beautiful flower with the help of markers. And this is how our happy flower is ready, and using the green color we are trying to roll around and create a stick. Now our flower is ready and it's a very happy flower. Now we are taking this yellow color clays, and this is how we have made these patterns with the help of the sticks, and this is how we have decorated our plastic bottle, and it looks so beautiful when you put inside the lights. Now we are trying to make another flower with a pot, and this is how we have cut out the patterns for leaves and we have pasted in the box, and using the pink color we are trying to make something like a flower. Now we are taking this white color sheet and we are drawing something like this nice tree look over here, and this is how using the clays we have tried to make a nice flower look over here. The colors that you want you can take that, and this is how here we are taking different colors so that it will create a nice beautiful colorful flower over here. This is how we have pasted so nicely one by one all the things, and using the green color we are trying to make a nice leaf look so that it looks more beautiful on top of this tree. Now we are taking this bottle caps and we have pasted in such a way so that we can create a nice flower with the help of the used plastic bottles. Now we are trying to cut out the shape on this leaf, and this is how we have cut it out and pasted in this sheet so that after pasting it looks something like this, and this is how we have made such a cute and lovely insect with the help of leaves.